Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial video, I'll show you how to create an ads account for your business account. So if you have an existing business account you've already created on your profile account and you don't know how to create an ads account for it, so this tutorial is actually for you. And if you don't have a business account yet, don't worry, I already make a video on my YouTube channel which will show you on how to create a new business account for your profile. And in that video I show it to everyone completely on how to do it. So watch this video so that you can understand how to create an ads account for your business account. So here's the step on how to do it. Firstly, we need to go to your business account. The link is business.facebook.com and then it will direct you to your business account. And once you've reached here, so next thing you have to do is to go to your business settings. So you click on the business tools at the top here, you click on it and then you click on business settings. So once you click on the business settings, it will direct you to this page where you will have the access to create an ads account for your business. So checking the left side of this page, you will see the ads account option here, and then clicking on the ads account you will see the button which says add. So you click on the add button and then it will pop out like this, which will show you 3 steps on how to create or add an ads account to your business account. So the first one is add an ads account, second one is request access to an ads account, and the third one is create a new ad account. So the third one is actually meant for people that just getting started with ads account. So if you don't have an existing ads account before, you just want to get started, so you can actually click on the create a new ad account, which I'm going to use for this tutorial so that you can fully understand how to do it. So you click on create a new ad account and then after that you will be asked to input these 3 information. The first one is add an ad account name. So you need to create a name for your ad account. So you can actually use your business name, your organization name, or your brand name. So I'm going to use my own brand name, which is Poppy Media, as the name of the ad account. So once you've done this, then the next step is you have to select a time zone of your country that you are creating the ads account for. So you need to select the time zone of your country. So I'm actually from Nigeria and I'm going to use the time zone here in Nigeria. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm searching for the time zone of Nigeria here, which is Africa/Lagos. So, and you don't know how to create an ads account for it, so this tutorial is actually for you. And if you don't have a business account yet, don't worry, I already make a video on my YouTube channel which will show you on how to create a new business account for your profile. And in that video I show it to everyone completely on how to do it. So here's the time zone here in Nigeria, which I've already selected. As you can see, Africa Lagos. So you have to select your own time zone, your country time zone here in the creation of the ads account. And lastly, you have to choose the currency of your country. So you need to select the currency you are using in your own country. So I'm selecting the currency we are using here in Nigeria, which is Nigerian Naira. So I'm selecting it, which is NGN. So here is it. So you click on it, and after you've selected your currency and you choose your time zone and then the name you are giving your ad account, so the next thing you have to do is to just review the information you've inputted if you haven't made any mistake, because the next process will be on linking of your card to your ads account, which usually cause issue when you selected the wrong currency for your as account. So you need to be very sure of the currency you choose when creating your as account. So after you've done that, so you click on next, and then here you are to choose the option, which is who are you creating the as account for. Are you creating it for your business account, or you are creating it for another business account or a client? So I'm actually creating this as account for my own business, which I already created. So I will select it and then click on the create button. The first one is add. So as you can see now, I've already created the as account. So the next option is to select who do I want to give permission on my own as account. So I'm actually giving my own profile account the access to my as account. So I'll choose the manage account full control, that is full control to the as account. So you need to give your own profile the full control over the as account, so that you can have the option to access all the features on the as account. So you click on assign here. So once you've done this, then you have successfully created the as account and you've added your own profile account to the as account, so you can actually manage all the details, all the features on the as account. And lastly, you have to add your payment information. So you need to add your own card details to the as account, so that whenever you want to set up ads on your as account, you'll be able to publish the ads immediately instead of adding the card later. So you can actually do that here by clicking on the add payment information. So that is how to set up a professional as account for your business account. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, share and comment what you need to know more about this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. So you need to select the currency you are using in your own country. So I'm selecting the currency